Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to swap USDT to TRON in Trust Wallet. It's easy to do this. Open up your Trust Wallet application. Once you've opened up the Trust Wallet, use the search at the top of the screen to locate your USDT. So once you've located your USDT in whatever network it exists in, simply select the USDT. So let's go ahead and pick the USDT on the BNB Smart Chain. Alright, so once you've selected this USDT, how can you swap this USDT, which is on the BNB Smart Chain, to the TRON token? How can you do this? It's quite easy. By clicking on the swap, which is embedded into the Trust Wallet software, you could simply swap from USDT on the BNB Smart Chain into BNB tokens itself. And if you click on the Smart Chain toggle and select TRX, which stands for TRON, you could do a direct swap from your BNB Smart Chain USDT over to TRON, that's TRX. By doing this, all you need to do, in order to do this, enter an amount you'd like to swap, and you'd have to pay some bridge fees. As you can see here, there is a price to pay in order to bridge. You're doing a cross-chain bridge, which involves moving your token from one network to another. So this is going to require fees, which are cross-chain bridge fees, which you have to pay. But if you're doing from USDT to BNB token on the same network, all you need to do is just cover your gas fees, and that's all. So $100 worth of USDT to BNB would give you a good amount of the BNB. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer.